Have you ever searched for something online and clicked on the first few results at the top of the page? You probably noticed that some of them were marked with a little ad tag. That's no coincidence. Those are search ads designed to appear right when you are looking for something specific. Search ads make sure that your business shows up when potential customers are searching for products or services like yours. In this lesson, we'll explore search advertising, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to connect with customers at the exact moment that they're ready to take action. By the end, you'll understand the basics of creating effective search ads and how to measure their success. What is search advertising? It's a form of pay-per-click or PPC advertising where businesses bid on keywords to have their ads appear at the top of search engine results pages. For example, someone searches for best running shoes. If you're a shoe retailer, a well-placed search ad could ensure your website is one of the first things they see. How does it work? Search advertising relies on two key factors: keywords and bidding, choosing the right keywords. So identify the search terms your potential customers are likely to use. For example, if you sell coffee makers, keywords like best coffee makers or buy espresso machine would be relevant. Set a bid. Decide how much you're willing to pay for a click on your ad. The higher your bid, the better your chances of appearing at the top. But here's the thing. It's not just about money. Search engines use an ad rank algorithm that considers your bid and the quality of your ad. A highly relevant and engaging ad can outperform one with a higher bid. Tools like Adobe Express make it easy to create ads that align perfectly with your brand and messaging. Use templates and design tools to optimize visuals. Improve ad performance, user experience, and ROI. Why are search ads so effective? They appear when users are actively searching for something specific, meaning they're ready to take action. They're highly visible at the very top of the page, even above organic results. They're also measurable. Track clicks, conversions, and ROI in real time. How do you make your ads stand out? Use compelling headlines, write clear, concise language that highlights benefits, and include a strong call to action, or CTA. Pro tip: create a landing page that matches the ad's expectations. For example, if your ad promotes a specific product, the landing page should take users straight to it, not to your homepage. Types of search ads. Search ads aren't one size fits all. Here are a few types to consider. Text ads, the most common type, including headline, description, and URL. Responsive search ads. These automatically test different combinations of headlines and descriptions to find what works best. Shopping ads, perfect for e-commerce. They display product images, prices, and details directly in search results. And local search ads, ideal for brick and mortar businesses. They target users searching for services in a specific area. Tracking success. Make sure your ads are working as intended by tracking these metrics. Click-through rate, or CTR, how many people click your ad. Cost per click, or CPC, how much you're spending per click. Conversion rate, are these clicks turning into actions? And quality score, search engines use this to assess the relevance of your ad. The takeaway: search advertising is one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience at the exact moment that they are searching for what you offer. But remember, success with search ads isn't just about bidding the most, it's about creating ads that resonate, deliver value, and meet your audience's needs. Here are your action items. Start experimenting with search advertising. Identify your keywords, create a compelling ad, and monitor your results. Get ready to see how search advertising can take your marketing strategy to the next level.